I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Today we have an incredibly unique home that blends old world charm and modern renovations. This fantastic 3-story home boasts a beautiful 80-foot wide lot here in Toronto. Come on in and I'll show you a few features of this home. Welcome home to the main floor of 135 Rosemount Avenue. As you enter this fantastic home, it's instantly apparent that the characteristics that define this home as unique are available to you as soon as you walk in. Stately high ceilings, a stunning formal living room, dining room, and family room, full renovated bath, and a full renovated kitchen. Please come in, I'd like to show you more of what makes this home so special and so unique. After entertaining on the front porch, after visiting with friends in the dining room, retire into the kitchen, which has its own access to the porch at the rear of the home. This beautiful renovated kitchen has plenty of storage and is set up ideally with professional grade appliances. Part of the center hall plan of this home is this incredible side entrance with full closet and a full side entrance to the large lower level. I'm 6'4" and I fit down there perfectly. So there's an opportunity down there to finish that basement for more living space or to use for income. There's something special I'd like to show you as well while we're here. It's the architectural details of this stunning century home that attract you and show you how unique this house happens to be. There's more details just like this that I'd like to show you on the second level of this home. The second level of 135 Rosemount Avenue continues with the very high ceilings. They're about 9 feet or so. Primary bedroom has a full walk-in closet with organizers. There's a laundry on this second level with Miele appliances, as well as a fully renovated 5-piece bath with heated floors. Those of you that don't like to relax in a basement, you don't have to with 135 Rosemount Avenue. We're on the third level. What a stunning open concept area. Recreation room, games room, den, whatever you need, it's above grade and it's filled with natural light. Have a look at the incredible third story of 135 Rosemount Avenue. So you've seen the interior of this fantastic home at 135 Rosemount Avenue. I've shown you the features and the renovations. Now we've saved one of the best parts for last. Look at this incredible 80 by 150 foot double lot here in Toronto. Treed with matured trees and full privacy. The possibilities here are endless for you to enjoy. If you'd like to know more about 135 Rosemount Avenue or you'd like to arrange a private viewing, please contact me, Mattei, at matteirealty.ca. Thank you.